Hello students, my name is Siddharth and I am the faculty of mathematics at Rawat Public School. And today in this video we will be doing one very important question which has been asked many times in the board exam, and the question is from the chapter matrices, exercise is 3.2 and the question number 18. Exercise 3.2 question number 18, this is an important question. Many times it has been asked in the board exam, so today we will be discussing this question here. The question is basically based upon the product of two matrices here, but with some addition also with another matrix. So the given question is, if A is 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0, show that if A matrix is given to us, we need to show that I plus A is equal to I minus A cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha and cos alpha. So now here we know that I stand for the identity matrix, and it is always similar in order to the matrix with which it is being added or subtracted. So the I is being subtracted with the matrix A, and the order of matrix A is 2 by 2. So the order of matrix I also will be 2 by 2. So our I is 1 0 0 1 plus A is this 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0 should be equal to I minus A. So I 1 0 0 1 minus A is again 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0, and this completely must be multiplied with the matrix this cos minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. So this is our question here. This side is not that much visible, I will shift here later on. So let's find out first of all I plus A. Our LHS. Our LHS is I plus A, I plus A. Let's add these two. 1 0 1 0 minus tan alpha minus tan alpha by 2, 0 plus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, and 1 and 0 is 1. So this is our LHS, and the product of I minus A and this should be equal to this one. So let's solve the LHS or RHS right now. We have solved the LHS. Okay, so our RHS is I minus A. We are solving the RHS now. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha and cos alpha. I minus A is how much? I is 1 and our A is I is 1 0 0 1 and A is, let me call again, A is 0 tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0. So now let's do I minus A. I minus A, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus tan alpha by 2, minus tan alpha by 2. This is going to be 0 minus minus tan alpha by 2 will become tan alpha by 2, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Dot with this matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha and cos alpha. Yes, this is the product. Now let's multiply these two. The product of these two matrices will give us the RHS that should be equal to the LHS. LHS was what? 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0 and 1. So let's multiply these two. So first row will be multiplied with the first column. So 1 into cos alpha, tan alpha by 2 plus tan alpha. Now first row with the second column. So 1 into minus tan alpha plus tan alpha by 2 cos alpha. Tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha, so minus tan alpha by 2. इसको थोड़ा हम स्पेस बचा लेते हैं. Minus tan alpha by 2 cos alpha plus sin alpha. Now minus tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2, positive tan alpha by 2 sin alpha and plus cos alpha, like this. Done. Now we know that there are half theta formulas that we can use here in place of cos alpha, sin alpha, tan alpha by 2. In place for every term we can put the values. The formulas are, I am recalling the formulas. The sin alpha can be written as 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. The cos alpha can be written 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. And tan alpha by 2 can be written as sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. So these three half theta formulas I am going to use and put at every place in this question. In place of cos alpha, sin alpha and tan alpha, I am going to use these formulas. So let's put the values here. Cos alpha. Cos alpha can be written 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 plus sin alpha can be written as 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2 can be written sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. This is the first element. Now the second element. Minus sin alpha. So it can be written minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 can be written sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. And cos alpha can be done 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. I believe this is visible to you here. Okay, this is visible. Now again minus tan alpha by 2 can be written minus sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Cos alpha can be written 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Sin alpha can be written 2 sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2. Now tan alpha by 2 can be written sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Sin alpha can be written 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 and plus cos alpha can be written 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. So I have put the formula of half theta in place of every term here in the matrix. Now let's solve these terms here. So I am going to rub this place. Okay. In the first element, cos alpha by 2 cancel and 2 sin alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 will become 2 sin square alpha by 2. We have plus 2 cos square alpha by 2 and minus 1. Done. Now in the second element here, minus 2 cos, this will be as it is, minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus when you multiply it inside you can see there are cos square and there is cos. So one cos will be cancelled and one cos will be left in. यहाँ पे एक cos बच जाएगा हमारे पास. So 2 cos alpha by 2 बच गया जो multiply होगा sin alpha by 2 से. तो क्या बन जाएगा 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 और अब ये आगे अंदर multiply होगा minus 1 से. Sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 is tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2 into minus 1 minus tan alpha by 2. Like this. Now in this element, you multiplied inside negative है तो negative आएगा. Cos alpha by 2 will be cancelled with cos alpha by 2 once. So one cos theta रह जाएगा. So cos theta, sin theta and 2 are left. Minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 are left. Now multiply inside, minus minus plus sin upon cos 10, 10 into 1, 10 alpha by 2 plus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. And now here again you multiply inside, cos alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 cancel, 2 sin square alpha by 2 plus 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Now here you can see 2 and 2 are common. So what I can do, I can write it this way. 2 is common outside, I have taken. And here also 2 and 2 are common. So 2 outside, common, right? 2 outside, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. The unit identity of matrix, trigonometry. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 cancel. It becomes 0. What is left? Minus tan alpha by 2 is left. 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. 1 is positive, 1 is negative, the result is 0. Cancelled. What is left? Tan alpha by 2. 2 into, this is again going to be 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. What is this? This is our LHS. We were solving RHS and we got the LHS. So that means LHS is equal to RHS. We proved it. So this is how this question is been solved using the half theta formulas in the matrix. And this question is really important because it has been asked many times in the exam. So here was the explanation how this question is to be solved within the time limit given for the examination, and which formulas to be used, how the common is to be identified and taken out, which identities to be followed further. So this is the method you can solve this question in the board exam. So please practice this question and master this question, especially because this has been asked many times. So this is all about this video. Again we will come back with another concept, another topic or another important question. Thank you so much.